On irregular expenditure, what was reported in the financial statements by the departments and the public entities amounted to a combined figure of 166.85 billion rand.
Uhlalo wekomiti ejongene nemiba yomphicotho izincwadi eParliament umnumzana Sakhumzi Somyo uthi baxhalabile kakhulu inkcitho kumasebe karhulumente ebalelwa kwi-166 billion rands. Izolo umphicotho izincwadi inkosikazi Tsakani Maluleke uthi linali lingenyuka.
You look into the category of such irregular expenditure. The one portion is a historic existing irregular expenditure which comes over years, and the second instance you'd find out that such irregular expenditure is in the worry state is as a result of procurement decisions which ought to be looked at by those who spend and take such decisions with a sharp eye.
Mnumzana Somyo uthi enye ingxaki ngamasebe karhulumente nangenisa incwadi zingagqibelelanga.
It's really not acceptable that at the time of the audit such institutions would fail to table such financials or would provide the AG with less of a quality required on such financial statements. And thirdly, that some of them would even fail to provide such financials, not only in good time, but for several years, as it has been the case with SAA.
Ixhala ngoku lenkcitho inefuthe elibi kwinkqubo yokuziswa kwenkonzo eluntwini kweli.